Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
Popeye's snacking and Amelia's napping. We're the RC Sailors. Welcome to our RC family. Today we've got a really cool 1/24th scale 4-wheel drive, 4-wheel steering little crawler. This is the Basher Rocksta. It's very unique and I'm super excited to drive this. We actually have 2 of these. We're going to do some climbing challenges here in the house. This might be the coolest indoor RC ground vehicle of all time.
And a few months ago we asked our patrons to give us some ideas of what to do with these things, and some of the most requested things were like doing a track inside. So that's what we're doing today.
This is going to be cool. We have 2 of them. Abby and I are going to have a lot of fun with these. They are very soft little tires. There's a lot of movement. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Look, and then we can do this one at a time. We have quite a bit of climbability with these things. But the really cool thing is that it's not just front wheel drive. You can't just move the front wheels. You can move the rear wheels to steer too, which I don't push the servo like I'm doing. But they can do a crab walk. They can. There, you can turn both of the wheels at the same time. We will show you, there's 4 different driving modes and it should be really cool. Not only that, but the shiny bits that you see here on the chassis, those are all metal and those are laser engraved too, so that's not going to scratch off easily. That's really awesome. There's a very low center of gravity on here. The battery's mounted in this box that you see, this little rectangle. And I do recommend the battery that we'll have linked in the description box below. Also, you know, you've got 2 servos here, one on the front, one on the back, and then these are axle mounted motors. So you've got 2 motors on here, one on the front, one on the back. They're all metal gears, which is amazing. And as I said, just a really low center of gravity. Here are the different driving modes. Abby is going to show us how these work. In mode 1, let me switch this around so it makes sense for you guys.
There's a picture on the transmitter too that shows what it's going to do.
Yes, and there's a mode button, but go ahead and show them what the regular driving mode is. Yes, front wheel steering. Okay, adjust the different mode. All right, now you should have rear wheel steering. Yes, that's cool.
Mode 3?
Yes, mode 3. Now this is where it gets interesting. Look at that. Okay, you could show them, turn really sharp one way and they'll drive. So you're doing a crab walk, right? This comes in handy if you're like on the side of a hill. Other way, girl. Yep, and then you're trying to stay level, right? Okay, so that's really awesome.
It's gonna take some getting used to.
Yeah, and then mode 4, Popeye's so excited. It's that easy. Mode 4, do them. Now you can turn really sharp. Very cool, huh? Yeah, I thought you'd like that because we've never had a truck like this before. The important thing is that these should be amazing to crawl inside. So Abby and I are going to challenge each other to this little course that we made and bring you guys along with us. Who do you think will win? Oh yeah.
Is there going to be a winner? How do we determine the winner?
Oh, okay. So first of all, the winner is going to get the best prize in the world, the emoji poop pillow that was.
Even though it's my pillow.
It was given to us by a patron, but I might take your pillow away from you if I win. So the way we're going to determine who wins is like, I think this is how
You're the poop.
I will win the poop. I am the poop. I think the way we're going to determine the winner is we'll take turns on each stage of the course. And like if I fall off the course or if I have to reset my truck in any way, that'll be like 1 point against him, right? Yeah, same will go for you. So you want to be at 0 points to win. And you'll fall into the negatives if you have to reset your truck. I think that's pretty cool, right? Pretty fair?
Or you, instead of doing it all complicated like negative, you can just add a point. And you want the least amount of points.
Okay, that sounds good. We'll do that. This should be fun. Let's have fun with these. You are up first. And since we're so new to all these different driving modes, you get to pick whatever driving mode you want to go in.
I'm just going to go with normal.
Okay, all right.
All right. Firewood, Wall of Doom.
Okay. I think I know what I would do here. You're getting it. Good job. Okay. Okay, awesome. You got stage 1. Oh, vertical climb. Now let's see if I can get it.
Can he conquer the Firewood Wall of Doom?
This is gonna be fun. Okay, I do want to go in a different drive mode. Okay.
What mode?
Well, that's a surprise. I love how slow this will go. Look at that. Look at that extreme
It's mode
turning.
3. It's mode.
Look at that extreme
Oh no, that's mode 4.
turning. Look how tight I can turn that thing. And
Wow.
I am up. No problem.
That was
You're
smooth.
next.
Now it's time for the blanket hill of doom.
They're all of doom. They're all of... Why is everything so doomful? Why can't it be the soft, fluffy blanket of joyness? Oh, now I saw you do this before actually. We did one practice session on this to see if it would work, and Abby dominated this. Oh, we need to update our sign. Look at this. Look how cool this is. Go slow, go slow, go slow. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you did it. You did it. You did it.
Will the blanket hill of joy?
There it is. That's right.
Will it be?
This is the Sailor.
Will it be a joyful blanket for you, or will it be the blanket of doom?
Oh no. All right, I am going. Oh, you know what? I got to change up my drive modes. I'm getting all technical here.
Oh, what drive mode now?
You'll find out. I'm going to need the extra control to get up this hill. First, I'm going to have to straighten her out. Okay, I'm going to hit this mode until I get it at the right angle. I probably should just do exactly what you did. See, I have a benefit. I get to see...
You get to cheat.
I get to kind of cheat here. Okay, first I get it there, and now I stop, switch up the modes, and now I crab walk if I need to. Oh, that's pretty steep. Get that wheel back down. Look at that. That's like Spider-Man sticky tires. Switch over to drive mode 4 and take the rest of the hill. Oh no!
Is it negative 1 point or 1 point?
Negative 1 point.
You have to do it all over again.
Oh.
Reset plus 1 point to Nate.
Okay. I'm just going to go with your driving mode. Maybe you screwed up the course.
Oh yeah. I'll do it all over again, just as perfect. You flipped at the end. I didn't flip.
Why did I flip? Okay, I can do this part, right?
Can
this
you?
part should not be a problem.
And that tire lifts up and gets so scary.
I know, it really is. Okay, now I gotta turn this really sharp. And then I think I know what I gotta do. Just gotta kick the speed down. Yeah, okay, I'm down.
Go.
Ooh, but you're up. You're up by 1 point.
I'm at the pillow fluff cloud of love.
This one is 2 pieces. This is a 2-stage.
Oh, it is?
You got the pillow and the blanket.
Okay.
So this is pretty difficult right here. Can you get up the pillow? We haven't tested that. Oh no!
I'm gonna say you won't be able to get up it either.
No, I know exactly which way I would go.
All right, you go.
Oh, okay. Is that how we're doing it?
Yeah, you gotta go now.
Okay. Okay, I know what I'm doing here. I'm showing you the right way to go here. I love the extra wheel turning in the back. It's really nice on these. Of course. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Now the trouble is going to be not to flip here. I don't want to flip it, so I juice it. Okay, that was juicing it on this guy. This ought to be fun. We have not tested this part of the course or the pillow.
Should be fine.
I love how it sounds.
The rainbow blanket bridge.
Oh yeah, look at that climb. Look at that climb. I'll let you reset the camera, Abby. I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win the poop pillow. It might be a tie. First time in our Sailor history.
Okay.
Look at that go.
All right, you did it. There's your fans cheering. You're almost at the end.
Woo, Rocco! Yeah!
The Hill of Doom, Nathan.
I can't do this.
Oh, you're caught on a Popeye toy.
I don't know about this. This doesn't seem like a great idea. It's already moving. Oh my god. Oh no! I made it. I made it. I made it.
You are right side. You are right side.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
This is awesome. It's actually tied. So if you don't screw up, you can still walk away. Tying for the poop pillow.
Put it in the same mode as you.
It helped a lot on that pillow, but you seem to know what you're doing. Look at that. Now the trouble is flipping coming down. Okay, alright. Here we go. Here we go.
You get speed points?
No, we did not keep track of the time. Look at that. That's so cool. A subscriber made this blanket, didn't they? Look at you. Look at you. No, you did not flip it. Okay, now get off the mountain.
Well, you gotta move your stuff.
Oh yeah, okay, I'm at the bottom of the mountain. Okay. Okay. Look at you, trying to get a strategy. She's like, I can do this. You haven't even changed up your drive mode a single time.
I don't need no stinking drive
What are you doing?
Don't worry about what I'm doing. You worry about what you're doing.
It's like the...
I'm approaching it from this angle.
Okay. I feel like that's about what I did. And go! We did tie.
To break the tie.
I think we have to do the course at the same exact time.
Okay.
So here's what we'll do. We'll set the camera up, right?
Yeah.
And whoever, like, if you get up the hill first, as soon as you get to the camera, we gotta both stop at the same time and change it. Okay.
You ready?
Yeah, I'll let you call it.
Okay,
I'm on the right side, by the way.
3, 2, 1.
No knocking each other off of there either, Abby. You crazy person. Hey, 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 hey. Okay, you're out of frame.
Stop.
On your mark, get set. Abby's ahead. On your mark, get set, go. Oh man, this ought to be interesting. How am I going to get past you? I cannot get past you. Go, go, go. This is going to be a hard challenge because I got to somehow figure out a way. Oh no, no, oh man, no. Oh man.
You gotta reset to the beginning.
No, not to the beginning, to the section of that course. You've created a roadblock.
Look what you did to me climbing over me.
I'm going to sneak past you.
No, you're not.
I'm going to climb over you. Oh man, yes, yes, yes.
Oh wait, I'm pressing the wrong button. Switch mode.
Oh, get off of me.
Like you're jamming my tires.
Hey, go back some a little bit.
No.
Just go back a little bit. Seriously, it'll help us both. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh my
no,
gosh. I got the climb. I got it. I got it. I am out of frame. I'm out of frame.
Oh no.
All right, that'll have to work. That'll have to work.
Marks to go.
Go. I'll even let you go ahead because that's a hard hill to get up there. You were playing kind of dirty. I am
Not.
I'm officially over the pillow. So I will just get off of this pillow.
No!
And oh my gosh.
What in the world?
I'll let you get up the hill. You go right ahead.
Thanks, Nathan.
Pretty sure I won this contest. Okay, you did it. No, stop, 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 stop. Hey, hey, I said stop. I got the camera. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my gosh, you're full speed ahead. No, you cannot catch me. No, 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 no. I am winning this. Oh, oh, I just won.
You did.
The raccoon
Wait, you gotta get off the hill.
Okay.
Oh no!
Oh, I guess that's one.
You gotta get off the hill,
Nathan.
Nathan.
Here we go, here we go. I'm going. This time I'm not gonna wreck either. Oh, I'm in one piece.
What am I supposed to do?
You just gotta go for it. Hey, we both landed. We both landed it. Those are amazingly fun. Sorry, it was kind of hard to record that, I think. I mean, we did pretty good the first part, but that last part was kind of crazy. But I did win the poop pillow. This is mine. This is mine now. I won that. I got the poop pillow.
You are poop. You have to wear the poop pillow.
I'll
That's what
wear
you
it.
have to do.
I like these trucks. Those are fun. If you guys haven't seen, I've never seen anything like that. Stop. I've never seen anything like that before.
Talk to the camera.
You better bet they'll be back on the channel again, and Abby can do her best to reclaim the, what is WWE, what do they say?
The belt.
Yeah.
The title.
Yeah, the title. Abby can try to take the title next week here on WWE.
Daddy cheat.
No, not at all. You were ahead of me and I managed to get ahead, so that was perfect. I don't know how I did that.
You were clipping me. No cheating.
I thought that was fun. I can't believe I won because those were ground vehicles and you should have won.
I like the trucks and I'm excited to beat Nathan with the trucks once the camera's off.
Those will be fun outdoors too. So when it's not 20 degrees Fahrenheit out, we will take these out someday. I know we're not going to get rid of these. Those are a lot of fun. The metal gears mean they're going to last forever. I'm surprised the little 350 milliamp LiPo battery lasted that long. I'm really impressed with that, and probably longer. We're still going to play with these more. So we'll have them on the channel again. Those are really cool, very unique. I've never seen any RC truck do that that's ready to run. Very cool. Guys, we'll have them linked in the description box below if you want to check it out. We'll also link the battery that we used, and I highly recommend a hobby grade charger with those batteries. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye!